the partner factor of 25 is or are. So by definition, we know that a partner factor is nothing but if we multiply the factors of the number, we get the number itself. So in 25, we have 1, 5, 25, all are factors. Then we can see that if I multiply 1 with 25, our answer will be equal to 25. Similarly, if I multiply 5 with 5, we have 25. If we multiply 2 with 25, we have 50, which is not a factor itself. Of course, 2 is also not a factor of 25. So our option is both A and B. If you multiply 5 with 5, we have 25. So the correct option is option A and B. Next one, which of the following cannot be a perfect square? So 841, that can be one prime factorization, 841 that can be divided by 29. So 29 multiplied with 29, which is equal to 841. So we have 29 square, which is equal to 841. So this is basically a perfect square. 841, that is basically a perfect square. Now we can see next one, 529. So 529 on division with 3, we have 143. Again on 11, we have 13. So 529 that can be expressed as 3 multiplied with 11 multiplied with 13. So to make something a perfect square, we should pair each term. So there should exist a 3, there should exist a 11, there should exist a 13 to make this one a perfect square. So 529, it's not a perfect square. No number can be paired. So next one, 198. 198 can be expressed as 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 11. Here we can pair 3, but we lack our pairing opportunity for 2 and 11. So 198 is also not a perfect square. Next one, a number ending in 9 will have the units place of its square as. So what is the units place of a number which is ending in 9? We know that 9 square, that is 81. So the units place must be equal to, always the unit place must be equal to 1. Next one, which of the following is not a unit digit of a square number? So among this, we need to check which one is not a unit digit. We know that when we square 4, we have 4 square, which is equal to 36. So 6 can be a unit digit, right? Next one, if I square 4, 10 square, which is equal to 100. So 0 can also be in units place. Next one, if I pick a number called 8, 8 square, that is equal to 64. So 4 also can be a unit place. But we cannot find a number such that the unit place of that number must be equal to 8. So 8 is the answer from this part. Next one, which of the following is a square of an even number? We know that the square of an even number is always even. So among this, it is easy to find the answer because check for which one of these is an even number. We know that 169, it's an odd number. 441, that's also an odd number. 625, that's also odd. So our answer must be equal to 144. Next one, how many numbers lies between the squares of 13 and 14? So we know that it is equal to, basically the result was is equal to 12. Why it is so? Because we know that n is equal to 13, n plus 1, that is 14. So n plus 1 square, we have n plus 1 square and n square. On subtracting, we have n plus 1 square minus n square, we have 2n plus 1. From that, we want to subtract again a minus 1. So our answer must be equal to 2n plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 12. So 2 multiplied with 13, which is equal to 26. Next one, if 45 square is equal to 2025, then 46 square is, we can see that 46 square is equal to 45 square plus 46th odd number. How can we calculate 46th odd number? That is equal to 2n minus 1. So 2 multiplied with 46 minus 1. So 2 into 46, which is equal to 92. 92 minus 1. So that is 91. So we know that 45 square is equal to 2025. So which is equal to 2025 plus 91. On simplification, we have which is equal to 2116. The value of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 is dash. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a sum of 7 consecutive odd numbers. So that is equal to basically 7 square, and that is equal to 49. Next one, the value of 198 square minus 197 square. So the square of difference of two consecutive odd numbers. We know that b square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here we have 198 minus 197, which is equal to 1. So the remaining is 198 plus 197. So our answer will be equal to 395. 198 plus 197, which is equal to 395. The square root of 196 is, among this we have 12, 11, 15 and 14. So on prime factorization, I have 196 that can be expressed as, on division with 2, it is equal to 98. Again on 2 we have 49, and 49 we can express as 7 multiplied with 7. So on comparing, it is equal to, we have two 2's. So 2 square multiplied with 7 square, right? So 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Now for finding square root, we are always pairing. So here we have 2, here also we have 2 7's, here we have 2 2's. So on pairing 2 and 7. So from among them 2 we can pick 1 2 outside, here also we can pick a 7 outside. So 2 multiplied with 7, which is equal to 14. So the square root of 196, that is equal to 14.